Hey there, future parents and nutrition enthusiasts. Welcome back to my channel, where we explore the fascinating world of nutrition and its impact on our lives. Today, I have an important story to share with you. Meet Emily, a beautiful soul who recently found out she's pregnant and is struggling with her diet due to excessive nausea and hyperemesis gravidarum, HG. As her trusted nutritional expert, I've designed a detailed dietary plan for Emily's first trimester, focusing on the essential nutrients for both her and her growing baby. So, let's dive into this story and discover the benefits of a well-balanced diet during pregnancy. Emily is over the moon with excitement as soon as she discovers she's expecting. However, she soon realizes that her dream of enjoying her favorite meals during pregnancy is halted by daily bouts of nausea and vomiting. This excessive sickness, known as hyperemesis gravidarum, affects many expectant mothers and can make it challenging to get the necessary nutrients for a healthy pregnancy. We designed a diet plan that ensures the well-being of both her and her precious baby. Hydration and small frequent meals. We began by addressing Emily's excessive sickness and dehydration caused by HG. Staying hydrated is crucial during pregnancy, so I recommended she drink small amounts of water throughout the day. Additionally, I introduced nutritious fluids like herbal teas and natural fruit juices to provide essential electrolytes and improve her overall hydration. Nurturing nutrients. The key to combating nausea and supporting the baby's growth lies in consuming nutrient-rich foods. I advised Emily to focus on complex carbohydrates. Whole grains, such as oats, whole wheat bread, and brown rice, provide a steady release of energy and essential nutrients like fiber, iron, and B vitamins. Lean proteins. Incorporating lean proteins like chicken, fish, tofu, and legumes helps fulfill the increased protein requirements during pregnancy while being gentle on the stomach. Healthy fats. Avocados, nuts, and seeds are excellent sources of healthy fats like omega-3 fatty acids, which aid in the baby's brain development and provide sustained energy. Calcium and vitamin D. To strengthen Emily's bone health and support the baby's growing bones, I suggested incorporating dairy products, fortified plant-based milks, and leafy green vegetables into her diet for a good supply of calcium and vitamin D. Iron-rich foods, such as lean meats, beans, spinach, and fortified cereals, play a vital role in preventing anemia and ensuring proper oxygen transport for both mom and baby. Coping with nausea. To help Emily cope with her incessant nausea, I recommended these tried-and-true remedies. Ginger, whether in tea, grated, or as supplements, has a long history of alleviating nausea and can be a great option for expectant moms. Peppermint tea or essential oil can provide a soothing effect on the stomach and help alleviate nausea symptoms. These bands, commonly used for motion sickness, apply pressure on specific points in the wrist that help suppress nausea and vomiting. Following this tailored diet plan for her first trimester, Emily soon noticed remarkable improvements. She began experiencing fewer episodes of nausea and found joy in eating again. Not only did the plan help her manage HG symptoms, but it also ensured the optimal development of her baby. A well-balanced diet during pregnancy offers countless benefits, supports baby's growth. The nutrients from Emily's diet plan promote healthy fetal development, reducing the risk of congenital disabilities and setting the stage for a strong start in life. Boosts mom's energy levels. Adequate nutrition keeps pregnant women energized and ready for the challenges of motherhood. Supports immune system. The right nutrients strengthen both mom and baby's immunity, protecting them from common illnesses. Prepares for postpartum health. A healthy diet during pregnancy helps the body recover faster after childbirth. A well-planned diet during the first trimester is crucial for the well-being of both mom and baby, especially when facing challenges like hyperemesis gravidarum. Emily's success story should serve as inspiration for those struggling with similar issues, reminding them that with the right approach, an enjoyable and nutritious pregnancy is possible. Pregnancy. It truly is a magical time in a woman's life, full of anticipation, joy, and of course, some challenges too. During the second trimester, the body goes through significant changes, and the nutritional needs for both mom and baby become paramount. That's where we step in, providing you with a dietary plan that's not only healthy but also super tasty. In the second trimester, the focus shifts to ensuring proper weight gain, promoting baby's growth and development, and providing the essential nutrients needed for a healthy pregnancy. Folic acid, a vital nutrient that plays a crucial role in the baby's brain and spinal cord development. It can be found in leafy green vegetables such as spinach and kale, as well as citrus fruits like oranges and strawberries. A refreshing spinach and strawberry salad can be a delicious and convenient way to incorporate these nutrients into your diet. Not only does folic acid help prevent birth defects, but it also promotes healthy blood cell production in both mom and baby. Next up, let's talk about vitamin C, an immunity-boosting superhero. Oranges, strawberries, kiwis, and bell peppers are all excellent sources of this essential nutrient. Besides boosting your immune system, vitamin C also aids in the absorption of iron, which is essential during pregnancy to prevent anemia and help with overall blood circulation. With all these incredible nutrients in mind, a vibrant quinoa and vegetable stir-fry packed with bell peppers, spinach, and broccoli can be a fantastic addition to your second trimester menu. Moving on, let's not forget about iron, a powerhouse nutrient that supports healthy oxygen delivery to both mom and baby. Lean meats, fish, spinach, and lentils are excellent sources of iron. A flavorful and hearty lentil curry with an abundance of vegetables is a fantastic way to incorporate iron-rich ingredients into your diet. Lastly, let's talk about calcium, a mineral vital for the development of strong bones and teeth. Yogurt, milk, cheese, and leafy green vegetables like kale are excellent calcium sources. A refreshing yogurt and fruit parfait layered with calcium-rich yogurt, seasonal fruits, and a sprinkle of granola is the perfect treat that ensures you and your baby get a healthy dose of this essential nutrient. Remember, pregnancy is a time of incredible growth and change. By focusing on nourishing foods packed with essential nutrients like folic acid, vitamin C, iron, and calcium, we can help ensure a healthy and vibrant pregnancy journey. So, let's dive into detailed dietary plan for the third trimester. The first key aspect we focused on was ensuring she received a variety of nutrients from different food groups. Emily included plenty of fruits and vegetables to provide essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. This helped with her baby's growth and development and also boosted her immune system. We also emphasized the importance of protein in Emily's diet plan. Protein-rich foods, such as lean meats, poultry, fish, beans, and legumes, help in the development of her baby's organs, muscles, and tissues. Additionally, we encouraged Emily to include sources of healthy fats, like avocados and nuts, which support the baby's brain development. Emily was concerned about her calcium intake, especially after experiencing morning sickness earlier in her pregnancy. We made sure she included dairy products like milk, yogurt, and cheese in her diet. However, for those who are lactose intolerant or follow a vegan diet, there are plenty of other calcium-rich alternatives available, such as fortified plant-based milks and leafy greens like spinach and kale. In addition to the dietary aspect, we discussed the importance of exercise during pregnancy. Emily was already taking prenatal yoga classes and enjoyed swimming, which helped her maintain a healthy weight, relieved pregnancy discomfort, and reduced stress levels. Regular exercise during pregnancy is shown to have numerous benefits for both the mother and the baby. You can find detailed video regarding trimester workout in the same channel, which explains exercises according to trimester. Lastly, we focused on the overall well-being and emotional health of mother. We included stress management techniques, encouraged her to spend quality time with loved ones, and emphasized the importance of self-care. Taking care of her mental and emotional health played a significant role in enhancing the overall pregnancy experience. During pregnancy, it's essential for expectant mothers like Emily to be mindful of certain foods and beverages that could potentially pose health risks to both themselves and their growing baby. The following are some foods to avoid during pregnancy and the issues they can cause. Raw or undercooked meat, poultry, and seafood may contain harmful bacteria like Salmonella, E. coli, and Listeria, which can lead to foodborne illnesses, posing a risk to both the mother and baby. Unpasteurized milk and soft cheeses, example, brie, feta, queso fresco, can harbor harmful bacteria like listeria, which may lead to miscarriage, preterm birth, or severe illness in the newborn. Fish with high mercury levels, such as shark, swordfish, king mackerel, and tilefish, can negatively affect the baby's nervous system development. Pregnant women should limit their consumption of these fish. Raw eggs may contain salmonella, which can cause food poisoning and may lead to dehydration and other complications during pregnancy. Deli meats and unheated hot dogs may contain listeria, which poses a risk of foodborne illness for both the mother and baby. Excessive caffeine intake can lead to increased heart rate and blood pressure in the mother and may affect the baby's growth and development. Alcohol consumption during pregnancy is linked to fetal alcohol spectrum disorders, FASTs, leading to physical, cognitive, and behavioral issues in the baby. Raw sprouts, example, alfalfa, bean, radish, may carry bacteria like Salmonella and E. coli, posing a risk of foodborne illnesses. Consuming unwashed fruits and vegetables may expose the mother and baby to harmful pesticides or bacteria. High doses of vitamin A, typically found in supplements and certain foods, can be harmful to the developing baby. If you found this video informative or know someone who might benefit, be sure to hit the like button and share it with others. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more valuable content on nutrition during pregnancy. Your health and the health of your baby are of utmost importance, so understanding proper nutrition during pregnancy is key. Remember to consult with your healthcare provider and nutritionist to create a personalized diet plan that suits your specific needs and circumstances. Don't miss out on our upcoming videos that will cover essential topics related to pregnancy, childbirth, and postpartum health. Hit the subscribe button and click the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thank you for joining me on this journey of promoting health and nourishment during pregnancy. Believe on yourself and look after yourself and people around you. Together, we can create a healthier and happier future for you and your little one. Stay healthy, stay nourished, and until next time, take care. If you have any questions or need further guidance, feel free to drop them in the comments section below, and I'll be happy to help. Your well-being and the well-being of your baby are my top priorities.